Too many obituaries of the industry has been written, IT services as such. And we have seen the stock market reactions over the last few days as well, which is quite painful actually. Having said that, and having worked in the industry for so many years, we also understand that it's not like you can take a drop of AI and put it into an enterprise landscape and then it magically transforms the enterprise landscape, solves all the challenges that exist, and then produces a tomorrow where you don't need IT services. It's not that, right? And we also know, at the end of the day, putting AI into an enterprise landscape is implementing a software into an enterprise landscape, and the challenges that you have to manage in implementing a software in an enterprise landscape largely remains the same, which is how your tech is set up together to manage that particular AI. So do you have data access which is seamless? Are your integration points actually working the way they should? Do you have a team which is ready to, which has your org change management exercise, which means the team is ready to understand what AI use cases, how they can actually implement it. You have the governance structures in place, you have the leadership, etc. In many ways, yes, of course. And one other thing is, people say, okay, because now coding has become easy, so what is there, right? But IT services is not just about coding, it's one part of the entire coding exercise. So my view is that I'm very excited about the whole AI stuff. So are most of us in technology. I do believe that it will compound the opportunities for us in the coming days, because like Puneet, you said, intelligence on the tap. I cannot foresee a future where customer says, I have enough intelligence, please don't give me any more, right? This is too much, I can't handle so much intelligence. It's just going to be, demand is just going to continue to increase. And as the cost of actually creating intelligence comes down, the demand for it will increase, and there will be more and more work that you need to do to be able to get that. So it would be too early for us to retire. I think you and me still have some more ways to go. So we should continue to pursue what we are doing.